Hey guys, Fastest Pass here. In this video, we're going to be showing you what we've been up to with the Mustang. Also, we're going to have another onboard tractor pulling video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're back from filming with the Mustang, and in my hand I've got a bunch of rubber, so I don't have my Yokohamas on here. I wanted to chew these tires up before I put my Yokohamas back on, and I realized after filming, well, actually midway through filming, why I use Yokohama. Yokohamas don't do this, not at all. And so listen, in this video we just went out, we shot the Mustang. There was some brand new cement laid down in a nice parking lot, got permission to go do some donuts on it, so we went out and did some donuts with it just for a promo video. And then you're also going to see on this video we got some onboard tractor pulling from my pull in Utica. Yeah, it was Utica. So I think it's a good video angle. You guys are going to be able to see it. We're working on projects to give you a project update here. So the 68 Stang EcoBoost upgrade is going well. We have the motor mounts engineered. We're laser cutting them and machining up the components for that. The tunnel's cut up. The radiators are ordered. The intercooler's in. So we're just continuing to pick away at that. Scott and Dan at Ford, they're taking care of that for me. And then, like I said, I'm going to do a few things to it, and then it's going to go off to Kelly Moss, and we're going to finish our finalized tuning. Along with that is our Mclaren project. I was at Kelly Moss yesterday. They're working on it. I'm pretty excited. I think you guys will really be impressed with the performance updates on that thing. So there's just some of the projects we've got going on. Stay tuned. The videos are next. God bless you and love you. Make sure you subscribe and like to this video.